All right, team. We're clearing land and laying tracks straight to the station. Eli, you're on the excavator. Josh, you're on the truck. Watch for utility lines and obstacles.
Got it, Noah. I'll handle the excavator.
Understood. I'll keep the truck ready.
Great. If you hit any issues, let me know immediately. Safety first. Hey, how was the trip, Josh? You sleep the whole way?
Tried to, but Eli's driving kept me awake. Guy drives like a grandma.
Safety first. Unlike you, I care about arriving in one piece.
Glad you survived. Ready to work, or are we doing stand-up today?
Let's do it. Show us the spot.
This is where the tracks will go. Eli, we need some drone footage. You ready?
First time, but hey, how hard can it be?
Is the drone drunk or broken?
Looks like it's doing the cha-cha.
Relax, guys. It's just a warm-up.
There we go! Not bad. Just keep it on the site, and we're good.
Yeah, no tree footage, please.
Don't worry, I've got this. I think.
Here's the plan. Eli, you'll use the excavator to clear the area.
Got it. I'll open it up.
Then we dump the foundation?
Yep, then we lay the tracks on top.
Clear, dump, and lay track. Easy enough.
Just don't dig too deep with that excavator, Eli.
All right, let's get to it. We've got work to do.
We're so glad you're enjoying our content. Only 2% of our viewers have subscribed. If you love our videos, please consider subscribing. Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much. God bless.
Precision matters, especially when it comes to loading the truck. We need to ensure everything is secure and balanced.
Absolutely, Eli. Every minute spent now saves us from delays down the line. Let's keep it precise.
Well, we did a good job laying down these tracks.
Definitely. We're on the right track with this one.
Yeah, it's looking solid.
Would you like to hear a joke? What do you call a train that sneezes?
I don't know. No idea.
A choo-choo train! Ha ha!
Oh boy.
Honestly, that's a good one.
Oh, look, the train is here. Look at that train. Ever think about just grabbing the back and hitching a ride?
No seats, just hanging on for dear life? That sounds kind of fun.
No tickets, no plans. Just us and the rails holding on tight.
I'm game! We'll just hang on the end and see where it leads.
Let's do it. Hope we're good at hanging on.
This is awesome!
Woohoo!
Yahoo!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit subscribe to join us for more exciting content.